The reason you're being stopped was a few things. So, when you turned onto California Street, you didn't use your turn signal.
The officer meticulously lists a pattern of divided attention failures, such as missing signals and nearly hitting curbs, which are clinical hallmarks of alcohol impairment.
I'm sorry, I usually...
Okay.
We're here frequently, so sorry.
So you have blood coming down your...
Observation of fresh blood on the suspect's hand creates immediate forensic concern. Her dismissive personal reasons answer is a red flag for a potential prior incident.
I'm just concerned.
No, that's fine. No, I'm just here to...
Okay, do you have your driver's license with you?
I do.
Notice the suspect's mental lag. She confidently states she has her license but realizes seconds later she lacks her wallet, demonstrating a significant breakdown in short-term memory.
Is that a voluntary thing?
Correct, they're voluntary.
So if I say no, what is that?
Then I have to make my decision based on the observations to this point.
Which is...
Your poor driving.
By explaining that his decision is based on her poor driving and strong odor, the officer is documenting the legal threshold for probable cause regardless of her consent to a test.
Then I have to make my decision based on the observations I've seen at this point. So I think you're intoxicated. Okay. So at this time you are under arrest. Please your hands behind you.
No.
No, don't tense up, don't tense up. Relax.
No. What the...
The suspect's physical tensing and repetitive questioning signal a fight or fight response, showing her inability to cognitively process the reality of her legal situation.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
DUI.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything.
You have the right to remain
Get
silent.
my car out, leave.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law.
Get him to get my car at least,
You have the
Joey.
right at this time to talk to an attorney and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you without cost if you so desire.
Tell him to get my car at least, Joey.
You can
Okay. Do you have pockets on your skirt?
No.
Or are these shorts?
No.
Okay.
Can I at least have my phone?
Relax, please relax. Fighting this is not going to change anything. I need you to relax, okay? Not at the moment. I'll come talk to you in a second. Have a seat.
What are you... You haven't even... What are
Would you like
arresting me
medics
for?
to come look at your wrist?
No.
Okay.
Can you just... Why are you arresting me?
You are under arrest for operating a vehicle while under the influence to the point that it's impaired your driving. Appreciate you guys not walking up. What questions can I answer? I can't answer all of them.
I'm her boyfriend.
Yep.
Can I just ask what's happening?
She is under arrest for DUI. She's highly intoxicated.
I told her.
The boyfriend's admission is a critical piece of evidence. It confirms she was specifically advised not to drive, turning a mistake into a deliberate act of public endangerment.
Nothing really. We're going to make sure that her phone goes with her, so when she's released...
Should I contact her parents? Should I...
I wouldn't.
That's a way... Just let
That'd be her. That'd be her choice.
Just leave it here. Just leave
Yep.
it here.
Yep. Okay.
Is it on right now?
Yeah.
Can you take these off, please? Can I have my phone?
No.
Why?
So that's not part of the process.
I don't want to be here for the rest of the night. I'm old.
Regardless if you provide a sample or not, you're going to be here for the majority of the evening.
Are you kidding me?
Not one bit. So whether you provide the sample or not does not change that fact. You're under the age of 21. You've consumed a fair amount to the point that you're impaired, based on my observations.
Based on your observations, right? So, if I say no, then what? If I say yes, then what?
If you say yes, then we do the 2 samples, just as I described in this document. If you say no, I mark it as a refusal, and I continue with the paperwork.
And if you mark it as a refusal, then what?
Then it can be used in a criminal trial. Why don't I just read this document again? Because you have questions about exactly what was said.
No, I heard what you said.
The officer's refusal to interpret the legal document ensures the suspect's says remain admissible in court, preventing her from later claiming she was coerced or misled.
You're going to go in that holding cell for up to 6 hours. If you mark no, that you don't want to do the breath, you're going to go in that cell for up to 6 hours. Same result. The difference is what the Department of Licensing does with your driver's license.
Which is what?
I'm going to reread this document because it explains
Can you
it.
just tell me, please?
I'm not allowed to interpret this. My plan is, as long as you don't have any warrants for your arrest and you don't have a prior DUI, then I'm not booking you into the county jail.
Just please, like...
Okay? All right, so we'll go back to the question. Will you now submit to a breath test?
That's fine. I just want to go, okay? Like, what's the soonest I can get out of here? Please, I don't want to...
So the soonest you could get out of here is probably about 4 a.m. It's 2 a.m. right now. That's 2 hours. You could be here up to 6. That's the longest you're allowed to be here. Your boyfriend, I spoke with him.
Yeah.
He said he's waiting for your phone call so he can come and pick you up. He said he's sober. he can come pick you up. I'm trying to do it as quickly as possible. What have you been drinking?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. You got it.
How much did you have to drink?
I have no idea. I thought I was fine. We were drinking at our friend's house earlier, and we all walked back. And then I went to get my boyfriend. I thought I was fine, but
Okay. What time did you start drinking?
I have no idea.
All right. No idea. It's easier right now. Do you recall the time of your last drink?
I think we.
Suspects often attempt shallow breathing or breaking the seal on the nozzle to produce a failing reading, a common but easily spotted tactic used to delay the forensic process.
I will do my best. Please listen to the instructions. I'm going to put this into the breath nozzle. When I tell you, you're going to stand up, you're going to take a deep breath so your lungs can't hold any more air. Then you're going to blow steady through this tube until all the air is gone. It's going to
make me used to do it.
you do breathalyzers?
Yep.
Oh. It might be a little. Go ahead and take your deep breath in and blow out. Blow, blow, keep going, keep going. You're about halfway. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Have a seat. That's going to think for just a couple minutes. We'll do it one more time,
Okay.
and then I can take the handcuffs off.
Can you please just give me a ticket and let me go, please?
Have a seat.
What do you want?
We have to do the second one, and then it's done.
I can't even.
Take your deep breath in.
I'm sorry.
Take your deep breath in, please. We're almost
I'm
done.
sorry.
Okay, and blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going. You've unsealed your lips, so the air didn't go through it. Take your deep breath in. As soon as you provide the sample, I can get the handcuffs off. Blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That was my body camera. That was the machine.
Is it fine though?
It's gonna tell me here in a second. Take your handcuffs off.
Me? Like I know how to do it? What do you mean?
Listen to me. I just said the words. I'm gonna take your handcuffs off.
I thought you said take your handcuffs off.
I'll be back with you in a couple hours.
Can I make a call or what?
No.
No?
Be back with
What
you.
is that about? I thought that was like I can
It's
make a
TV.
call.
That's if you're booked into jail. You don't want to be booked into jail.
What? I can't make one call?
The suspect attempts to negotiate based on one phone call tropes seen in fiction, illustrating a total disconnect between her expectations and the actual protocols of a holding facility.
For how long?
You can be up here for 6 hours. I don't know how many more times I can answer that question for you.
You don't have any answer for me.
6 hours. Get in the cell. Yeah, I know. Okay. This piece of paper is your right to a hearing. Because you provided a breath sample, you have the right to have a telephonic hearing about the potential upcoming suspension of your license. If you would like to do that, you need to send in a check for $375 within 7 days from today to this address here, Department of Licensing. If you don't send it in, they just assume you don't want that hearing. Okay? So that piece of paper. Sign here. This piece of paper is called your conditions of release. So when I release you here, this is what you have to follow. So anytime someone's arrested for DUI, they have to be in court the next court day. It's not your trial or anything, but it's an initial appearance. They'll tell you what you're being charged with. They'll give you information. You have to be there. If you don't show up, there's a warrant for your arrest. So it's today, the 15th, 1
I have
p.m.
to be there today?
Yep.
Wait, what? That's not, I have class today.
No, you have court today.
What, what, here?
So listen, today, 1 p.m., Colfax, Washington.
I have class today, and I've been important.
The scene concludes with a display of extreme hubris. The suspect tries to prioritize her important meetings over a criminal court appearance scheduled for just 4 hours later.
As soon as you grab all your stuff, door without the window there, push hard on that door, push hard on the second door, you'll be out in the lobby.